Hello dear students, welcome to IT online class. How are you? Hope you are fine well. Dear students, do you know what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a keyboard, isn't it? It looks like a piano, isn't it? It looks like a piano. A keyboard, it is an input device which helps you to enter the data into a computer. Okay, അപ്പോൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലേക്ക് നമുക്കൊരു ഡാറ്റ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ ഒരു ഇൻപുട്ട് ഡിവൈസ് ആണ് ഈ കീബോർഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്.
Pencil or pen is needed to write in a notebook. Similarly, to write on the computer, the keyboard is needed.
Here we can see different kinds of buttons, small buttons. Look at this. This is a button. This is a small button. Like this. So all these buttons are called keys. Okay. Here we can see small different buttons. Small buttons. Here these buttons or this small button is known as keys. Okay.
A keyboard usually has 101 or 104 keys. Letters, numbers or symbols are printed on the keys which are typed when that key is pressed.
So, by using these keys, we can enter the data, like we can type the document or we can type the letters. You can type your name, age or letters, anything in the computer by using this keyboard. Okay. So, a keyboard is used to type data into a computer. Okay, you can type stories, you can type the poems, and you can type letters, your name, your school address, your residential address, like that. You can type anything in the computer by using these keyboards. Okay, look at here. You can see different kinds of keys here. Okay, then ഇവിടെ ഓരോ തരത്തിലുള്ള keys നമുക്ക് കാണാം. Okay, here each keys has different names. Look at here. You can see here the alphabets. Alphabets here. That is here Q, W, E, R, T, Y, like this. So A to Z letters are given in this keyboard. So these area or these buttons are known as alphabet key. Okay, so these letters are or these keys are known as alphabetic keys. Okay, but here we can see that alphabets are not in order. It is not in order like A, B, C, D, like that. Here the keys are given, the alphabetic keys are given like Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, like that. It is not in alphabetic order. Okay. So the keys which shows the alphabetic letters like A to Z is known as alphabetic keys. So by using these alphabetic keys, you can type your name, you can type the letters, you can type your residential address, like that. You can write anything by using these alphabetic keys. Okay. So dear students, look at here. You can see here different numbers. That is 0 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, you can see the numbers from 0 to 1. Isn't it? So, here also you can see the numbers. Okay, look at here. Here also you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. Okay, so these keys are known as numeric keys. Here by using these keys, you can enter the numbers from 1 to 0. Okay, by using these numeric keys, you can enter the numbers. You can enter your age, you can enter your height, like this. Okay, so this is the keys which shows the numbers is known as numeric keys. Okay, then you can see some different another keys also. Here, look at here, this key is known as tab key, this is caps lock key, and this is shift key, control key, Windows key, alt key, space bar key. Then likewise different keys are given here. So these keys are known as special keys. Okay, here one backspace key is the enter key, shift key, control key, Windows key, caps lock key, tab key. Likewise some other keys are given here. So all these keys are known as special keys. And these keys are used for some special functions or some special purpose.
Special keys perform special tasks. Let's see the working of some special keys. Enter key. Enter key located at the two places in the keyboard. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing. It is also used to open a file or a program. Space bar. Space bar key is the longest key in the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between letters or words while typing. You can press spacebar key once for a single space. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to get capital letters. On pressing it, a small light glows on the keyboard. This indicates that the text you type will be shown in capital letters on the screen. To get small letters, press the caps lock key again. This time, the light will go off. This indicates that the text will type you will be shown in small letters. Backspace key. It is the eraser key in the keyboard. It is used to remove the mistakes you type. When you are pressing the backspace key, it removes the letters from left side of the cursor. It always moves backward. ഒരു കേഴ്സറിൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള വേർഡ്സ് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യുവാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് നമ്മൾ ബാക്ക് സ്പേസ് കീ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഡിലീറ്റ് കീ. It is the eraser key in the keyboard. It removes the letters from right side of the cursor. You can also use delete key to delete a file or a folder. Shift key. The shift key is used along with the other keys to type special symbols and capital letters. We know that some keys on the keyboard have two symbols on them. Some of these keys are given below. When we want to type the upper symbol, we have to press the shift key along with that key. നമുക്ക് കീബോർഡിലെ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് എന്നൊരു സിമ്പലാണ് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെങ്കിൽ ഷിഫ്റ്റ് കീയിൻ്റെ കൂടെ 5 എന്ന നമ്പർ ഒപ്പം അടിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് എന്ന ചിഹ്നം കിട്ടുന്നതായിരിക്കും. When we want to type a capital letter of any English alphabet, we have to press the shift key along with that key. For example, നമുക്ക് എച്ച് എന്ന ഒരു ലെറ്ററിൻ്റെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്ററാണ് ആവശ്യമെങ്കിൽ ഷിഫ്റ്റ് കീ പ്രസ് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം എച്ച് എന്ന ലെറ്റർ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ എച്ച് നമുക്ക് സ്ക്രീനിൽ വിസിബിളായി കാണുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
Okay, then look at this. Here we can see some function keys. Okay, that is F1, F2, F3, F4 up to F12. Here in the keyboard we can see some function keys. Okay, so these function keys are always placed in the top of the keyboard. Okay, these keys are used for some special functions.
Function keys are also used as shortcut keys. Shortcut keys helps us to do things fast. F1 key helps us to open the help screen for almost every program. F2 key allows you to rename a selected file or folder. F3 key helps to open a search feature for an application that is activated at the moment. F4 key. Alt plus F4 closes the active windows and also shut down your personal computer. F5. F5 key allows you to refresh or reload the pages or document in the window. F6 key helps you to move the cursor to the address bar in the most of the internet browser. F7 key used to spell check and grammar check a document in Microsoft applications. F8 key used to access the boot menu in the Windows when turning on the computer. F9 keys helps you to refresh a document in Microsoft Word and send and receive emails in Microsoft Outlook. F10 keys activates the menu bar of an open application. Shift plus F10 is the same as right click. F11 enters and exits full screen mode in the internet browsers. F12. It helps to open the Save As dialog box in Microsoft application. Dear students, can you write your name on a computer? In a computer, you do not need a pen or a notebook. Keyboard works as a pen, and instead of notebook, we use word processor. The software used to type letters, words, rhymes, etc. on a computer is called word processor. Notepad, Wordpad, Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Writer are some of the word processor software. Let's discuss about Notepad. Notepad is a very useful application software that you can use to type or write simple text. You can use a notepad instead of using a notebook. It has unlimited pages. Moreover, in case you write something wrong, you do not need to write all over again. You can make the correction in the same page. Making correction in the text is known as text editing. Dear students, let's study how to open a notepad. For open Notepad, first you need to click on the Start button. Then select All Apps and select Windows Accessories. Then click on the Notepad. Now a screen is appear on the window. Do you see a blinking line at the top left corner of the white area on the notepad? It is called a cursor. It shows the position where you can type. Now you can begin write your name, phone number, letters, etc. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കീബോർഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു വേർഡാണ് നോട്ട് പാഡിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെങ്കിൽ ആൽഫബറ്റിക് കീസിൽ നിന്ന് KEYBOARD എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ആൽഫബറ്റിക് കീ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് നോട്ട് പാഡിൽ ഈ ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ഈ വേർഡ് നമുക്ക് വിസിബിൾ ആവും. So I hope all of you understood about Notepad.
So dear students, these are all about the keyboard. The small buttons which is placed in the keyboard, that is known as keys. Keys are different types. The keys which is used for enter the alphabets from A to Z, that is called the alphabetic keys, and the keys with the numbers is known as numeric keys, and the keys which used for some special purpose is known as special keys, and the keys which is placed in the top of the keyboard, it is known as functional key and function key, and it is used for some special functions. Okay.
So dear students,
today we discussed
about the
and
keyboard
the types of
and the functions
keys
of
in
different
the
keys
keyboard.
in the keyboard.
So I hope
And also
you
discussed
understood
about
the keyboard
a new
very well.
application
So we can
software
meet in the
that is
interactive
Notepad.
section. Bye.
So I hope you understood very
Keyboard
well
very
about
well.
these things.
So we can meet
meet
in the
in the interactive
interactive
session.
Bye.
Bye.